Have you ever struggled with writer's block on the process to writing your book? I know I have. Sometimes it can be extremely challenging to get those creative juices flowing, but I don't want that for you. And so today, that's why I want to talk about the power of writing prompts. Writing prompts are expansive exercises that help you to get your writing in flow. And what I love most about writing prompts is it lets you start to be creative, and then you get to take surprise turns to see where your writing takes you. Here are 3 different writing prompts that you can leverage and use to get your writing going. The first one is, what is a polarizing topic that you have a unique or authentic perspective on that you're willing to share? This is definitely going to be catchy and grab people's attention when they're ready to read your writing. The second one is, what is a story that you've never told? Let's be honest, being vulnerable is going to help you to relate to your readers on an intimate level. And so people want to hear that vulnerability piece from you, and this is your opportunity to share it. Finally, the third writing prompt is, what is an experience, whether positive or negative, that's led to a change within your life? This one is great because it highlights your strength, it showcases your resilience, and really helps you to see your growth as well as the potential you have for your future. Here's the thing, writing gets to be as fun or as difficult as we choose to make it. And when you use writing prompts, you get to take the stress out of writing, make the process seamless, and dare I even say fun. Try one of these writing prompts today. You'll thank me later.